All right, what the heck does that copyright symbol mean? You know, the little C in a circle, this one? What's it mean? When can you use it? I'm going to tell you the meaning of that copyright symbol right now. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to tell you the exact format that you need to follow in your copyright notice. I'm Maria Spira-Alice, lawyer for content creators and online brands, and this is the Spira IP Show. All right, so what's the meaning of that copyright symbol? Does it mean that you have a copyright registered with the Copyright Office? Nope. Does it mean that you have mailed a copy of your work to yourself? Nope. Copyright symbol literally means that you claim ownership in that work. That's it. It does not mean that the work is registered. A work doesn't have to be registered with the Copyright Office in order to have copyright protection. So that's it. When you see a copyright notice, you know that the person is claiming rights to that thing. Also pretty important because even though it's not required in order to have protection in your content, it does prevent someone else from claiming innocent infringement. In other words, oops, I didn't know that this was your property. So use the copyright notice, number one. And number two, here is the format that you have to follow. And this is very strict. You have to follow this format. There are 3 parts. Ready? 1 is that copyright symbol or the word copyright. 2, the year that that work was published by you. And 3 is the owner's name. So it might be your personal name, it might be your business's name. That's the proper format for a copyright notice. And remember, that copyright symbol only means that someone's claiming ownership in their work. It does not mean that it's registered. So you can use that copyright symbol even if you haven't registered your content with the Copyright Office. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Head to spira-ip.com/quiz to take my free quiz that will diagnose your specific legal blind spot and tell you how to fix it yourself. Again, that's spira-ip.com/quiz.